Want to lose belly fat at home? These 10 no-equipment exercises can help you burn calories and build a stronger core.
Number 1, jumping jacks. This full-body cardio exercise helps increase your heart rate and burn calories.
Number 2, mountain climbers. They activate your core and help improve strength and endurance.
Number 3, plank. Hold your body steady and strengthen your abdominal muscle.
Number 4, bicycle crunches. This movement targets your abs and improves core stability.
Number 5, leg raises. A great exercise to engage your lower abdominal muscle.
Number 6, squats. They work your lower body and help boost overall calorie burn.
Number 7, burpees. This high-intensity exercise burns calories and challenges your entire body.
Number 8, Russian twists. They strengthen your core and target your side abdominal muscles.
Number 9, high knees. This cardio move increases your heart rate and improves fitness. Number 10, flutter kicks. They help strengthen your lower abs and improve core control.
Remember, losing belly fat takes consistency. Combine these exercises with a healthy diet and stay committed.